time for GI Samman Award ceremony, but before we proceed with the awards distribution, I would like to invite Dr. Shantanu Sen, Principal, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology, to share a few words with us. Sir, please.
Thank you, Jit. Thank you, Karavi. Thank you, Sharmishta, and thank you, Shantanu Chakraborty. So, the most awaited JIS Mahashamman, that session is over. And now the JIS Shaman, it has been divided into 3 sessions, session 1, 2, and 3. And the awards would be given in this JIS Shaman. Now here, I would like to inform you all one thing, that during, for last 1 year and even last 5 years, as I said, that JIS Shaman consists of 3 main pillars. Number 1 is academic awards, academic and research. And number 2 is spirit, which consists of cultural activities, extracurricular activities. And number 3 is sports. So sports is over, cultural events are over, and it had been organized during 29th and 30 January 2021, and then academic awards. Now, during last 2-3 days, I have been getting the different communications from different colleges. We have a number of cultural coordinators, SPOCs, technical team members, and different kinds of members are there. They are working togetherly. And during last 2 days, I have been getting a lot of emails and WhatsApp messages that in the award category, there are some lot of spelling mistakes or a little bit errors are there. So my appeal to all of you that today, that in the award ceremony, all the awards will be given, in virtual mode. So after that, the actual certificate and memento will be issued. So please don't worry if there is any spelling mistake. It would be corrected, because we are doing everything in association with the members from each and every college. So during compilation and hurriedly, just you can understand that on 29th and 30, that JIS period got completed. We have got only 1 day. 31st, yesterday we worked for the whole day and almost night, and then today is the 1st February. So time was very limited, and there could be little bit mistakes in the names, in announcing the names, or in showing or displaying the names. So please consider all this stuff if there is any, and please cooperate with us. Even during the announcement of the names, if any name is missing, or if some name is mispronounced, so please do not mind. You report to your cultural coordinator or your SPOC. These would be corrected when the actual awards should be given. So we need your active cooperation, as we have been getting for last few days. And my congratulations to advance congratulations to all the winners in the 3 categories, which will be that totally tackled by the anchors who would be citing their names through PPT presentation. And the last thing that I would like to request you, a lot of requests was coming to me, or queries were coming to me, that when the awards should be given, whether the participant should come in the college or to come in the online through Zoom link. So yesterday night and today morning also, I was getting a lot of requests or query that whether they should come in Zoom. So my answer to you all, that the whole thing is getting displayed in the Facebook Live of JIS group, and even plus all the Facebook links or Facebook pages of all the 12 institutions under JIS group. So you can see everything on the virtual mode, virtual platform in Facebook page of your respective college or in the JIS group. You need not to enter into the Zoom link. The thing is that the names will be announced through a PPT mode. Everything will be displayed. Later on, after the college gets open, these will be physically delivered to you. So we need your active cooperation, and I believe that we will be getting the same as we have been getting the same. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. We will start